In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic up and down arrows to your data visualizations in just 5 minutes. This is a great way to enhance your reports and make them more visually appealing and easily understandable. So, let's dive right in. First, let's get started by opening the Tableau public app. If you don't have it already, you can download it from the Tableau website. Once you've got the app open, please ensure you have access to your worksheet. This is where all the magic will happen today. If you're starting from scratch, feel free to upload your dataset and set up your initial worksheet layout. Now, moving on to the worksheet, let's start organizing our data. Begin by dragging the Order Date field to the Rows shelf. We want to set this to a monthly format, so ensure it's set to Month by clicking on it and selecting the appropriate option from the context menu. This will help in breaking down the data into manageable bits. Let's proceed by bringing in the profit data. Drag the profit field onto the text shelf. This step will allow you to visualize the profit numbers in your dataset and sets the stage for adding those dynamic arrows. Having this visual cue isn't just about aesthetics. It really helps in instantly communicating performance, whether it's positive or negative. Next, you'll want to format the data so these arrows can be incorporated effectively. Look for the drop-down button connected to the text field you've just configured for profit and click on it. From the options presented, select Format. This will open up a pane on the left side of your screen. In the Format pane, direct your attention to the Pane tab and click on the Numbers section. Here you're given several formatting options for your numerical data. Choose the Custom Format setting. This is where the real customization happens, enabling you to personalize how your data appears. Enter the following format string: 0,000 storage 0,000 fee. To get those arrow symbols, you'll need to source them from your Microsoft Word symbols. Open a blank Word document and insert the symbols using the Insert function under the Symbols tab. Once you've got your arrows, simply copy them and paste them into the custom formatting field within Tableau. Finally, ensure that everything looks correct by checking your worksheet. Congratulations! You now have up and down arrows in your data visualization. This adjustment not only looks professional, but also adds significant clarity to your data narratives. And there you have it. You've successfully added dynamic arrows to your visualization in under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy Tableau tutorials.